Welcome to Easy Way of Learning 10th Standard Social Science. One mark question and answers. Civics, lesson number 1, Indian Constitution. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, which of the following sequence is right regarding the preamble? Option A, Republic, Democratic, Secular, Socialist, Sovereign. Option B, Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Republic, Democratic. Option C, Sovereign, Republic, Secular, Socialist, Democratic. Option D, Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. The correct option is Option D, Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. Second question. How many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? Option A, once. Option B, twice. Option C, thrice. Option D, never. The correct option is Option A, once. Question number 3. A foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship through Option A, desert. Option B, registration. Option C, naturalization. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is Option C, naturalization is the correct answer. Four. Find the odd one out. Option A, right to equality. Option B, right against exploitation. Option C, right to property. Option D, cultural and educational rights. The correct option is Option C, right to property. Question number 5. One of the following is not an instance of an exercise of fundamental rights. Option A, workers from Karnataka go to Kerala to work on the farms. Option B, Christian mission set up a chain of missionary schools. Option C, men and women government employees got the same salary. Option D, parents' property is inherited by their children. The correct option is Option D, parents' property is inherited by their children. Question number 6. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option A, right to freedom of religion. Option B, right to equality. Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right to property. The correct option is Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Question number 7. How can the fundamental rights be suspended? Option A, if the Supreme Court so desires. Option B, if the Prime Minister orders to this effect. Option C, if the president orders it during the national emergency? Option D, all of the above. The correct option is option C, if the president orders it during the national emergency. Question number 8. We borrowed the fundamental duties from the option A, American Constitution, option B, Canadian Constitution, option C, Russian Constitution, option D, Irish Constitution. The correct option is option C, Russian Constitution. Question number 9. Under which article financial emergency can be proclaimed? Option A, Article 352, option B, Article 356, option C, Article 360, option D, Article 368. The correct option is option C, Article 360. Question number 10. Which of the following committees or commission made recommendations about the center-state relations? 1. Sarkaria Commission, 2. Rajmanar Committee, 3. M.N. Venkatachalya Commission. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 1 and 3. Option D, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option B, 1 and 2. Second Roman letter, filling the blanks. Number 1. The concept of constitution first originated in USA. Two. Dash was elected as temporary president of the Constitutional Assembly. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. 3. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. 4. Dash rights are mentioned in Article 32. 5. Fundamental duties have been given to the citizen of India under Article 51A. Roman letter 3. Match the following. The questions are: Citizenship Act, Jawaharlal Nehru, the Preamble, 42nd Amendment, the Mini Constitution, 1955, Classical Language, 1962, National Emergency, Tamil. The answers are the Citizenship Act, 1955, the Preamble, Jawaharlal Nehru, the Mini Constitution, 42nd Amendment, Classical Language, Tamil, National Emergency, 1962. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.